Hello, young learners. Today we have a list of 10 exciting things, starting with the letter L. Perfect for children aged 5 and under. Are you ready? Let's get started. Number 1, a lion. A lion is a majestic, big cat that prowls around the savannas. They're very powerful, very dangerous. This is a lady lion. She's seen something. I wonder what it is. Number 2, a lollipop. A lollipop is a delicious, sugary treat that often comes on a stick. You can have 1,000,001 different flavours. Very nice. Number 3, a ladybird. A ladybird is a tiny, colourful insect. And what's really special is they tuck their wings inside of their shell and fly away. Number 4, a leaf. Leaves come in various shapes and colours, and they cover trees in the forest. These are little tea plants. And these people pick the leaves and they can turn it into tea. Isn't that clever? Number 5, a lighthouse. A lighthouse protects ships from coming too close to the land. They have a very, very bright light on that they can see at night. Number 6, laugh. Laughing is joy and contagious and happy. You see people laugh, lots of kids laugh, and you also see adults laugh when something's funny. He must have said something funny. Number 7, a library. A library is a building or a room that is filled with books, magazines, newspapers, things to read. What you can do is you can go to a library and you can borrow a book or a magazine, or you can read it there, take it home and bring it back. Amazing. Try one out. Number 8, a lullaby. A lullaby is a calming song that parents often sing to their children when they're trying to calm them down before bedtime. They're very soft, gentle songs that make you quite sleepy. Number 9, letters. There's 2 things here. So firstly, letters in the alphabet, as you can see some of those there. And secondly, the other type of letter is when you write all the letters into words on a piece of paper. So you write a series of words in a letter, then you might post that to someone. And finally, love. Love is the most amazing feeling. It's very difficult to describe what love is, but it could be between 2 animals, between different people, or it could be something that you love. It's something that you enjoy doing so much, like maybe going in a hot air balloon or eating something fun. Very nice. Lovely. Thanks so much. See you again.